Good cooking starts with good technique, but it's not just about skill. Your tools matter just as much. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the right equipment can make every meal easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Imagine prepping dinner without struggling to chop, slice, or mix. The right gadgets can turn a stressful kitchen into a creative playground. But even the best chef is slowed down by clunky tools. Dull knives, awkward peelers, and bulky utensils can turn cooking into a chore, making you dread even the simplest recipes. Upgrading doesn't have to mean spending a fortune though. Want to transform your kitchen for under $50? It's possible. With a few smart choices you can refresh your space and boost your confidence in the kitchen, all without breaking the bank. I've scoured Prime Day for the real deals. Gadgets that actually earn their keep. I've compared reviews, tested products, and found the best value for your money so you don't have to waste time or cash on duds. Let's kick off your kitchen upgrade. Here are 20 high-powered tools, all under $50, all ready to make your life easier. From speedy choppers to clever storage solutions, these picks will help you cook smarter, not harder, and bring a little joy back to your daily routine. Meet the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, your new secret weapon for effortless meal prep. If you've ever found yourself dreading the endless chopping, slicing, and dicing that comes with cooking, this gadget is about to change your kitchen game forever. Imagine having all your mise en place ready in minutes, thanks to a single box packed with every accessory you could need. From interchangeable blades to handy storage containers, everything is thoughtfully organized and right at your fingertips. With just a push, it dices onions, slices cucumbers, and even spiralizes zucchini. No more tears, no more mess, and no more wasted time. Whether you're prepping a quick salad or a big family dinner, this tool handles it all in seconds. Over 100,000 five-star reviews can't be wrong. Home cooks everywhere are raving about how much easier and faster their prep work has become. It's not just a gadget, it's a kitchen revolution that's earned its place on countless countertops. The result? Perfectly uniform cuts every time, which means your veggies cook evenly and look beautiful on the plate. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse the parts under the faucet or pop them in the dishwasher. And here's the best part. Prime Day brings this kitchen essential to you for well under $50, making it an unbeatable deal for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking routine without breaking the bank. If you've ever dreaded chopping or found yourself frustrated by uneven cuts and kitchen clutter, the Fullstar Chopper is your intervention. It's the shortcut you never knew you needed, turning prep from a chore into a joy, ready to make meal prep faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Check out the link below. Your future self will thank you every time you cook. The Mueller 10-in-1 Veg Chopper is the Swiss Army knife of prep. 8 blades let you dice, slice, julienne, and grate. No more cluttered drawers. The container base keeps your workspace clean. Versatile, compact, and on sale for Prime Day. If you want options, this is your tool, link in the description. Shredded chicken, minus the mess, meet the Suritivian chicken shredder. Place cooked meat inside, twist, and in seconds you have perfect shreds. No more burnt fingers or bent forks. Works for pork and beef too, and it's dishwasher safe. Prime Day price makes this a no-brainer. Say goodbye to the two-fork tango, link below. The Dash Tasty Crisp Air Fryer is your entry to crispy, low-oil cooking. Compact, fast, and energy efficient, it handles everything from fries to veggies. Air Crisp Tech cuts fat by up to 80%. No flavor lost. Perfect for quick snacks or weeknight dinners. Prime Day makes it a steal. Curious? The link's below. Upgrade your storage with the Joy Jolt Glass Storage Set. Glass won't stain or absorb odors, and it's oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Airtight lids keep food fresh, and the set is perfect for meal prep. Durable, versatile, and a great Prime Day value. Invest in your leftovers, they deserve better. Link below. The magnetic spice rack uses your fridge's side for instant, organized access. No more hunting for spices. Everything's visible and within reach. Sturdy, installs in seconds, and saves counter space. Under $20 for Prime Day. Reclaim your kitchen, link below. Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Containers. Airtight, clear, and stackable. Perfect for dry goods and pantry organization. Find them at a discount in Amazon outlet, not just on Prime Day. Maximize freshness and space. Link below for a pantry upgrade. Baking is science. Get a digital scale for accuracy. The Mueller or Ultrian scales measure in grams, ounces, and more. Tare function lets you zero out bowls for easy multi-ingredient measuring. Slim, easy to store, and great for portion control or coffee. Prime Day price makes it a must-have. Stop guessing. Link below. The ThermoPro digital thermometer gives instant, accurate readings. No more overcooked steak or underdone chicken. Foldable, magnetic, and rugged for any kitchen. Essential for grilling, roasting, or frying. Prime Day makes it a smart investment. Link below. Love garlic, hate the mess? Get a quality garlic press. Finer, more flavorful garlic in seconds, no sticky fingers. Most sets include a peeler and cleaning brush. Small price, big flavor boost, especially on Prime Day. Link to aromatic freedom below. The Umate Chef Utensil Set upgrades your basics: spatulas, spoons, whisks, and more. Heat-resistant silicone heads protect your pans. Comes with a matching holder for style and organization. Buying the set saves money, especially on Prime Day. One-click kitchen facelift, link below. For single-serve smoothies or shakes, try a mini blender. Blend and drink from the same cup. Minimal cleanup. Compact, powerful, and stylish. Affordable luxury, even more so on Prime Day. Link to your blending revolution below. The Bella Waffle Maker makes crispy waffles easy any day. Compact, non-stick, and simple to use, no special occasion needed. Heats up fast, cleans up faster. Costs less than one breakfast out thanks to Prime Day. Bring the Waffle House home, link below. Perfect eggs every time with a dedicated egg cooker. Just add water, press a button, and walk away. Hard-boiled, poached, or omelets, no guesswork. Easier peeling, less energy, and hands-off cooking. Great for meal prep or busy mornings. Prime Day price, link below. Immersion blenders puree soups, sauces, and smoothies right in the pot. No messy transfers, less cleanup. Many models include whisk and chopper attachments. Versatile, powerful, and compact. Prime Day deal, link below. The chef's knife is your kitchen's MVP. Look for a full-tang, high-carbon stainless steel blade. No need to spend a fortune. An 8-inch blade covers most tasks. Under $50 on Prime Day, upgrade your prep instantly. With care, it'll last a lifetime. The most important link is below. Salad spinner =, crisp greens, no soggy salads. Spin, dry, and serve. No more paper towels. Inner basket doubles as a colander, outer bowl as a serving dish. Essential for salad lovers. Small investment, big upgrade. Prime Day price. Link to crispier greens below. Silicone baking mats replace parchment. Non-stick, reusable, and eco-friendly. Even heat, easy release, and simple cleanup. One set replaces hundreds of rolls, saves money and reduces waste. Prime Day makes the switch easy. Link to a stick-free future below. Oil sprayers give you control. Fine mist, less waste, no propellants. Fill with your favorite oil, pump, and spray. Healthier, more precise, and eco-friendly. Reusable and affordable, especially on Prime Day. Upgrade your oil game, link below. The clip-on strainer snaps onto pots for safe, one-handed draining. No more juggling heavy pots and bulky colanders. Fits most pots, dishwasher safe, and saves space. Simple, clever, and perfect for small kitchens. Inexpensive Prime Day upgrade. Link below. Imagine transforming your kitchen with just a few clicks, because that's exactly what you can do with these 20 incredible kitchen tools. Each one hand-picked for quality, usefulness, and style. And the best part? Every single item is under $50, making it easier than ever to upgrade your cooking space without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these tools are designed to boost your cooking game, save you time, and add a touch of fun to every meal you make. Picture yourself slicing, dicing, and mixing with ease, thanks to gadgets that do the hard work for you. But remember, these deals won't last forever. Popular picks tend to sell out fast. So if something catches your eye, don't wait too long. Add your favorites to your cart before they're gone, and make sure you don't miss out on these limited time offers. For your convenience, I've included all the links you need right in the video description below. Just tap or click to start shopping. No need to search around or waste time hunting for the right product. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which tool you decided to pick up, or if you have a favorite kitchen gadget that I didn't mention in this roundup. Your feedback helps me discover new products and share even better recommendations with everyone, so don't be shy, share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more smart kitchen upgrades, product reviews, and tips to make your home life easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and spending time with us today. Until next time, this is Tools and Decor USA, reminding you that the right tool truly makes all the difference. Smart tools, stylish kitchens, happy cooking.